Hello, my YouTube family. Welcome back to my channel. This is Ebony Stiff. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share this video. Today, we are going to be talking about how to get $20,000 from the city of Tampa if you have been affected by Hurricane Helene and or Hurricane Milton. As you all know, unfortunately, we were hit very hard in the Tampa area by Helene first, and then a few weeks later, here come Milton. They were trying to tear the city up, but we are so resilient here in Tampa. I love it here. We were able to bounce back and, get going as best as we could. Unfortunately, we do still need help with our homes. Even though FEMA was available, a lot of claims for FEMA got denied, especially if you had homeowners insurance. The homeowners insurance companies were denying and finding loopholes and not getting us residents the things that we actually, pay for and we expect to receive from our homeowners insurance. But behold, in the city of Tampa, they recognize that there is still a need. They have found funds and they are available to you today. Today. They are now available. You can go and apply. You're going to go to www.tampa.gov and you're going to scroll down to the hurricane relief section and you're going to apply. Okay. It's going to be titled pre-applications. It should be open now. It should be available now. You can go ahead and apply now. Now, there are some limits and there are some restrictions, but still apply because you don't know if you don't apply. One, you must live in the city of Tampa limits. They have what those limits are. They have what the zoning is, what the zip codes are. So go and apply. You never know. Go and apply. Okay. There are also income limits. There's an income limit table on there. I think it's very fair. I've looked at it. And you should be able to receive assistance. Also, if you will need your information from your homeowner's insurance company. You will also need proof that you applied for FEMA and what the outcome was. And, after that, I think it's by March 31st, you will be able to find out if you are eligible to receive that assistance. Okay. So that's one way you can receive assistance. They are also giving assistance if you fell behind on your mortgage payments because of this, right? We all know there's costs associated with getting things repaired. Some people have to move money around to, just to make ends meet. And that's just the reality of the situation. And I'm so happy and so thankful that Tampa recognizes that and they're able to assist with mortgage payments. So if you fell behind on your mortgage payments because of this, you just haven't been able to see yourself catch up, that is another type of assistance under the disaster relief that you can receive. Now, I did read if you were delinquent in your mortgage before the hurricane, you may have some issues there, but still apply. Still apply. Okay. And then also, if you're in foreclosure or something of that nature, I do not believe that it will be approved. However, I am not the decision maker. I'm only relaying to you the information that I read on the website, which again is www.tampa.gov. So you want to go there and see if you apply for that. Also, they are giving money for repair costs. So you're going to make sure that you have valid repair receipts. The repairs are related to the disaster, either Hurricane Helene or Hurricane Milton, or both, because some people did have damage because of both storms. Some people had damage only because of one. And some people were lucky enough that they didn't have any damage at all. So they won't need this assistance. But if you know someone that did have damage, Tampa is giving $20,000. The city of Tampa, if you live within the limits, you can prove that you did have damage. You can also prove that you had you applied for FEMA, you applied to your insurance company, and there's a lack of funds available for you to either finish your repairs or they're just going to give back to you and pour into you to help you continue with life as you knew it before the storm. So I'm grateful that this assistance came. It is, it's delayed but not denied. A lot of times we want things right now. We kind of live in a world where everything is fast paced and we want things like right now, right? But who would have known that I think the first one was September, the next one was October. Here it is in March. Tampa is still recovering. We're still on the rise, and the city is saying, hey, if you live in this area and you meet these income guidelines, and then you also meet these other requirements, that there is help for you up to $20,000 that you could receive. Okay, so make sure you're passing this information along to someone who actually needs it, to someone who could benefit from it. Oh, another point, I'm so sorry. It must be your primary residence. It must be classified as your primary residence by homestead exemption. That's how we classify properties in Florida that are your primary residence. It has that homestead exemption on the tax records. My apologies. So that is very, very important. Thank you for listening. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like. Make sure you share this information, because there is $20,000 out there up for grabs for homeowners who need it. Who need it? If you don't need it, don't come with the scams now. Don't come trying to scam the system, doing all the things. There are really homeowners out here who need it. And that is why it is there. It's there to help us in this time of need. Tampa, we hadn't seen hurricanes like that. Oh my gosh. I don't even think I was alive the last time, Tampa saw storms like that, and they were back to back. The city was devastated, but we bounced back. We're resilient. We love it here. We're going to continue to rebuild. And thank you to the city of Tampa for recognizing that there was a need, finding the funds, and making them available. So again, $20,000 is up for you homeowners. Homestead exemption must be reflected on your tax records. Make sure you have all of your insurance information available. Make sure you have your FEMA letters available. Make sure you have your receipts available, okay, to show them like, hey, I did suffer a loss and I do need assistance. I do need help, and there's nothing wrong with needing help. That's what it's there for. Accept it. Accept the help. It's there. Don't, and if you are a scammer out there listening to this, sit this one out, please. Okay, sit this one out. Leave it for us homeowners who really, really need it, who really, really, suffered, and we're just trying to rebuild our lives, and we're thankful that we have our lives. We had to evacuate and come back to. We just didn't know what we were coming back to. So thankfully, we did have something to come back to. Some people lost everything. Okay, and I would encourage you to apply. The worst they could say is no. That's the worst that could happen. But if you don't apply, you won't know, and you're doing yourself a disservice. So make sure you go and apply www.tampa.gov, and then you're going to scroll down to the hurricane disaster relief information and apply for information, apply for the funds that are available for whatever category you fit into. And I hope you have some good news on March 31st, because at the end of the month, they will be sending letters out to you or emailing you, letting you know the status of your application. So go apply. Don't delay any further. Make sure whatever information you put on there, make sure you're checking your email addresses, okay? If they say they're going to send you an email, make sure you check your email. Make sure you check your spam, your junk folders, okay? And follow up. There's a phone number on there as well. So if they don't contact you, don't wait for them to contact you. If you've done everything you could do and you feel like, hey, I do qualify and I should get this assistance, make sure you're proactive in getting the assistance that you deserve, okay? It's there for you. Go apply. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment for more information like this. And it is a great day in Tampa Bay. Go get those $20,000, okay? It's yours. Go and get it.